How to troubleshoot an Irritrol RD-1200 Rain Dial. The Irritrol RD-1200 Rain Dial is a 12-station irrigation system, which controls a specific lawn and garden schedule for connected sprinklers. The system features 3 program modes, various schedule settings and battery backup power in case of power outages. The system also supports CMR-KIT and KSR-KIT remote control models. After the system is installed, you might experience technical setbacks, such as non-operation and sporadic watering schedules. You'll want your system operating perfectly before leaving for extended periods of time. Things you'll need: solenoid voltmeter. Valves don't operate. Inspect the function switch located at the bottom of the rain dial, as it might be set to off. If the switch is set to off, switch it to run. Move the function switch to set programs and twist the dial located in the center of the 1200 to today to confirm that the current day appears in the display located at the top of the 1200. If the day is correct, twist the dial to the day in question. The day displays either on or off. If the incorrect day is displayed in today, press the OR buttons located to the right of the display to display the current day. Move the function switch to set programs and move the program switch to A, B or C. Twist the dial at the start time 1 and push the OR button to set the start time. Set the times for each program as necessary. When the start time is set, twist the dial to current time. Watering day is wrong. Move the function switch to set programs to begin setup for a weekday watering. Move the program switch to the desired program, twist the dial to schedule and the day you wish to program and push the OR button to select on or off. Move the function switch to set programs, select a program, and twist the dial to skip days/special functions to begin setting a skip days schedule. Push the OR button to specify a once every 0131 setting, twist the dial to today and push the OR button to choose the current day in the interval. For example, if you want to water the lawn every 5 days and you wish the next watering day to be in 3 days, select the current day as 02. Move the function switch to set programs, select a program, and turn the dial to odd/even to set an odd or even day schedule. Push the manual on button until the screen displays dashes. Push the OR button to select odd or even. Some valves don't operate. Expose the connected valve solenoid and test it for proper functionality using a solenoid voltmeter. If the solenoid is bad, replace it. Inspect all wiring between the valves in question and the timer. Confirm that the connected wires are secure and properly attached. If wiring is damaged or disconnected, replace it. Inspect the valve common wire for proper connection to each valve and to the timer's VC terminal. Make sure the connected wire is properly stripped at the ends and no wire insulation is inserted into the terminal. No power. Inspect the circuit breaker, which protects the timer, and confirm whether or not the breaker is tripped. If the breaker is tripped, reset it. Inspect the wiring from the timer to the power source, which might be a transformer. Look for frayed, cut or dented wiring. If the wiring is damaged, replace it. If the wiring is loose, reconnect it securely to the timer and transformer. Disconnect power from the timer, open the timer controller door and open the control module from its right edge. Examine the fuse at the top of the PC board to confirm whether or not it's blown. If the fuse is blown, remove it from the retaining clip and reinsert a new 2.0 slow blow fuse. Reconnect power to the timer.